Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to clean these valves. You can see lots of carbon buildup on the inside here, even some rust on the outside, which isn't good. And we'll get to that problem later. So I'm going to be using a variety of things to help get this off. First, I'm going to be using B12 Chem Tool, and this is going to help dissolve the rust, dissolve the carbon buildup. It's just going to break all that stuff down. Now, there's lots of things people recommend using. You could also use seafoam. You could also use brake cleaner. I mean, there's a lot of things that'll help break this stuff down. This is just what I'm using. Then I'm also going to use a brass wire brush, and this is just going to help scrub some of the stuff off. I'm using brass instead of steel because steel could actually end up leaving marks on it, which we don't want to do. So, pretty self-explanatory. Just spray some stuff on there. You can see already a lot of that rust is coming straight off. Gonna let that soak for a few minutes and do the next one. I'm going to do this over this paper towel here. Really doesn't take that much. Do this one. Ooh, a little bit of rust on the bottom of that. Alright. Gonna go ahead and start scrubbing on this one. You can see already stuff is coming off. This one's still going to need some work. Switch to this one. Ooh, that rust came straight off. Alright, I'm also going to try a little bit of this Marvel Mystery Oil on it. Oops, that was probably more than... I mean, this one is just the exhaust, so... Or wait, this is the intake, never mind. Looks pretty good. As you guys can see, this does take some time. Alright guys, so you can see the difference I'm making here. Starting to use this guy on the drill. Got a brass wheel there. Just look at that difference it's making already. I know I don't have it perfect here, but it sure is a lot better. So, if anything else, that's at least something. I am making progress. Just gonna continue on with these. I think I'm gonna leave this one for now and move on to the others. We'll see if afterwards I want to come back to it and clean it up further. Alright, got another real dirty one here, you can see. We're gonna get it cleaned up though. I think this Marvel Mystery Oil might work better than the Chem Tool. Just gotta be careful not to spill it everywhere. Oops. I got a little too much. Look at all that gunk just coming right off. This one cleaned up pretty nicely. Still some stuff on it, but I mean, y'all saw how bad it was before. It's a lot cleaner now. Alright, got another real dirty one here, you can see. We're gonna get it cleaned up though. Well, we got it cleaned up pretty good, I'll say. Yes, there's still some stuff on it. Not a whole lot though. It's a lot better than before. Absolutely no rust on it. And that is where we are going to end this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content from my channel, hit that subscribe button and I'll keep it coming. I just want to say thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.